first set numbers from Anne Remulla.
Cagayan Province dominating the attack department,
Oo,
17 compared
layo.
to only 10 of FEU. In terms of service aces, hindi naman nagkakalayo, no? It's 3 and 2 for FEU. Pero pagdating sa errors, look at this. There are about 8 for Cagayan and 5 for FEU. So, maraming naibigay rin na puntos itong FEU sa Cagayan.
Oh, Remulla with a poor reception. CVRS draws first blood here in the second set.
Well, those service reception errors would be very costly for FEU, no? At this point, what you want is to really get ahead of Perpetual, and then a second reception error by Remulla.
2 in a row for Ivy. And she will be the target of Chua Lim. This time Chua Lim goes to Tabaquero, but still over-received. Good save though from Tabaquero. Giselle pushing out. Good save.
Oh, miscommunication
Sayang.
Lunella and De Los Santos. Pero masipag si Chua Lim, ha? She really nag-dive talaga siya to get that ball. Unfortunately, they weren't
The second,
able to keep it.
yeah,
Oh.
the pass was good. Yung second touch, hindi lang nakuha ng maganda. Shakey's, if it's fun, family pizza, it's got to be Shakey's. Cases, dug up. Patrona's there. Ayun, di na inabot. The libero of FEU is Abitan, Eliza May Abitan.
Davidan has been having a difficult time. Ano, kita natin kanina, last point in the first set, masyado rin siyang nakapasok.
Yeah.
So, she's having a difficult time in reading the balls. And so has that point, ganun din yung nangyari.
Wineth recovered by De Los Santos. That is not over. 4 touches called by first referee Adrian Tabanyag. Wineth. Oh, nice block by Remulla, but hindi na inantay ni Formipol na
Wala na. Tumaas yung bola, paluin na agad. And she read it well because
That's right.
wala pang nakahanda to defend on the side of FEU.
Ganda ng serve ni Sandra.
Excellent serve right in the middle. You see what's nice about what I'm looking at dito sa lineup ng FEU. Ito si Tabaquero. After that service landed on the floor, binibigyan ng instruction si Abitan.
Aha.
So, yun makikita mo rin yung seniority nitong mga guest players. As we see
Yeah, positional. Yeah,
May
fault.
fault tayo dito.
Second referee Rolly Casillan making that call. Axel, the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League. Wow, if you can serve like that, you're gonna make this second set really, really quick.
And, I mean, look at the lead now. Cagayan Valley. 7-2. 5-point lead.
Another good serve. Wala, hindi makaka-play ang FEU nito.
It has been a struggle receiving the serve of De Los Santos, and it's like dire-diretso, no? Everyone is just on fire.
Look at this play for Joy Cases. Yun, pinalusot sa blockers. And it is Cagayan Province up 8-2. We'll be right back.